Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Today we are working on a baby wig and we're going to be using the kinky hair. The other tools we are using is the wig cap, the socks type, the headband, and of course your crochet pin and scissors. What we do first is to put the wig cap over the dummy head, as you can see on the screen. You drag it down very well to be so that it will fit and be in place for the headband. After that is set, you put the headband over it, as you can see on the screen. Then you now crochet round it. You have to connect. As you pick the headband, you pick it with the wig cap. You crochet both of them together. You do this on every hole on the headband. Round. We are going to do it round the wig cap twice. Then after this, going around twice, we now go to the center of the wig cap and go round again. That's all. So we are just going round 3 times, 2 at the edge of the wig, 2 at the edge of the wig cap, then 1 at the center of the wig cap. That's all. It will not take you more than an hour to finish this project. Just sit back, relax, and watch the whole process. Now we have finished the first circle. We'll be going to the second circle now. The spacing of the second circle will not be as close as the first one, and the second circle should be closer to, as in the line in between should not be much, should be closer to the first line. The second line is going to be closer to the first line to give it that fullness, to cover the space in between, because the third line that we are going to make is going to be at the center of the wig cap. When this is done, what you do next is to pack everything upwards. And secure it with rubber band. After securing it with rubber band, what you do next is to sew round the wig. You sew it and make sure you include the inner wig cap with the hair to give it a lasting hold. When that is done, what is left for you to do is to trim. You trim the upper part to the size of the puff you want. That is all. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the class. It's a very simple wig to make, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe to this channel to support us. Like and leave a comment below. In case you have any questions, just drop it on the comment box. Thank you so much and goodbye.